My dear students, how to find out the percentage error of resistance when the voltage values are given and current values are given? It's very simple. The general formula is, you all know R is equal to V by I. But while finding the errors, you have to just add the errors. So this is a percentage error. Delta R by R into 100 is equal to this much, delta V by V into 100, delta I by I into 100. That's it. Then what is delta V here? So this is going to be delta V, that is 5 by 200 into 100 plus delta I is nothing but 0.2 divided by 20 into 100. So which gives you 2.5 plus 1, that is 3.5% is going to be your answer. That's it. Very simple question and simple answer. My dear students, see the traditional solution given to the problem which was a previous year question of JEE mains. You can just see the lengthy solution, how much time is wasted, which is very valuable. Now, let us have some common sense without this nuisance and nonsense. We have our innocence will create some mysterious solutions, which is, let us take the velocity formula lambda power a, g power b, rho power c. Let us compare the formula which is given in the problem with our known formula, which is root 2 gh, my dear. Root 2 doesn't have any dimensions. What is left? Only g is left. Root means power of 1 by 2. H means power of 1 by 2. Because root is present, becomes power 1 by 2. Let us compare these two formulas. H is also length only, height. This is also wavelength only. If you compare these two, powers are A will become 1 by 2. G, if you compare, B power, G power, B is nothing but 1 by 2. In this formula, there is no density, but here density is given. If nothing is given, that means rho power 0. Nothing is there. 1 is there. So rho power 0. That means C is equal to 0. So therefore D option is correct. Hope you have enjoyed this formula and solutions. Thank you. My dear students, this is a previous year question asked in JEE mains 2022. You can just see the traditional method, raising the powers of mass, length and time. This is outdated. Let us have a simple and shortcut method. You know the general formula. Force is equal to neta A delta V by delta L. You know about this formula. It's a basic formula. So here, you also know that force is nothing but change in momentum with respect to time. That means force can be written as momentum by time. Neta A, velocity is Lt power minus 1. Here change in length is again L. So what is going to happen here? Length gets cancelled. Okay. And also here, he's asking us to find out what is the neta. So neta is equal to pressure by area. Already T is there here. T power minus 1 also goes to the denominator. So these are getting cancelled here. So neta is equal to P, A power minus 1, T is not there, T power 0. So this is going to be our solution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. My dear students, you have to find out the percentage relative error for the values given here. You can just see the values given here. Okay, and you can just see the solution, traditional solution, very lengthy solution. But I have got a shortcut method for you to find out the correct answer without using this pen and paper. What is the correct answer? So if you observe all these values and the 4 options, you have to select that option which is very close to these values. So what is going to be the very close option? 1.6 is going to be very close to these values. So that's why that is going to be the answer. General method, anyhow, you know very well. Okay, thank you very much. My dear students, I will teach you a different style of solving the problem where you will never get anywhere in internet or YouTube. Let me discuss about that. So this is a gunshot question asked any time and everywhere in NEET and JEE mains. Let us see here what is going to happen. You know these two terms are having same dimensions. So you will be writing A by V square is equal to P. That means A is equal to PV power 2. That's it. Here, these two terms are having same dimensions. So we write B is equal to V. But he's asking us to find out AB power of minus 1. So AB power of minus 1 is nothing but directly you write AB. A means PV square. B power of minus 1 means, actually B power of minus 1 means V power of minus 1. So V power of minus 1. So PV, because V power of 2 minus 1 is again PV. You know, according to thermodynamics, work done formula is pressure into volume. PdV. dW is equal to PdV. So PV is equal to work done. So work done, you know, dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 4. So therefore this is going to be the correct answer. How do you feel? Did you enjoy? My dear students, today I will discuss a previous year question, latest question asked in 2024. It's very tough job to remember the dimensional formula of gravitation constant. And that's why I will teach you in a different style, so that need not remember any dimensional formula. You can just say here, you all know time period is nothing but 2 pi root of r by g. Yes, just like 2 pi root of L by g. Instead of L, there is a r here. So squaring on both sides, you will be getting 2t square is equal to 4 pi square r by g. And you all know g is nothing but gm by r square. That's it. You can just substitute here, you will be getting how much? 4 pi square r by g. G means gm by r square comes to the numerator, becomes r cube. That's it. Your answer is ready. I think B option is going to be your correct answer. That's it. Thank you. My dear students, let me solve this problem in a completely different style, not with old traditional methods. Now let us see, is asking us to find out the surface tension. So you all know tension is equal to force by length. You also know energy is equal to force into displacement. Energy or work done, both are same, force into displacement. So we can write force is equal to energy by length. So here I am going to write, instead of force, energy by length. So energy by L square. You also know length is equal to velocity into time. That means displacement is equal to velocity into time, because velocity is equal to displacement by time. So what I am going to do here, just I am replacing length with velocity into time. V square T square. So V comes to numerator, become V power minus 2. T comes to numerator, becomes T power minus 2. Your answer is ready. So what is going to be your answer? I think C option. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. My dear students, let us solve the physics problems in a completely different style, not than as traditional methods which are given in the books. This is a previous year question. Let us enjoy the simple and shortcut way to solve this problem. You all know density is equal to mass by volume. You all know F is equal to MA. M is equal to F by A. Your work is done. 50% of the work is done, my dear. So M is equal to F by A. Already V is present here. So F by A. That's it. Now, F you'll write like that only. Divided by A means LT power minus 2. Volume is L cube. That's it. Your answer is ready, my dear. This is L power 4 becomes L power minus 4, becomes to numerator. T power minus 2 comes to numerator, becomes T square. I think your correct answer is yes, this one. Yeah. Yes, this one. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.